is essentially the glue of the human body. It is contained in the middle layer of our skin and is responsible for how our skin looks and feels. After age of 30, the production of collagen in our body decreases. As a result, our skin, hair and health is affected. So we can best collagen peptide powder that helps to replace and rebuild damaged collagen when your body stops producing as much collagen as it
They made me blind, they made me lie. Heard you in the rain, will you always be there? Last thing you said, sorry if it's too late.
Collagen peptide powder is our fourth favorite collagen peptide powder that is digested and absorbed by the body quickly for maximum benefits. This powder is sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine hides to ensure natural, high-quality, and sustainable
Cloudy skies and lips of fire and stars between these two worlds. You try to find your own. I try to run, try to hide. I needed to survive. Heard you in the rain. Will you always be there? The last thing you said, sorry if it's too late. Heard you in the rain. Will you always be there?
And is certified hormone-free and 100% non-GMO. Check some real reviews from the users.
Sorry if it's too late.
Directions: blend 1 scoop daily in water, smoothies, shakes, bullet coffee, green tea or other beverages. It's time to rate Live Well Collagen Peptides. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. They ensure hydrolyzed collagen peptides are sourced only from grass-fed, pasture-raised grade A bovine. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $35 for 1 pound. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The Physician's Choice Collagen Peptide Powder is clinically proven digestive enzymes, to help ensure that your body can readily absorb and get the collagen to where it needs to go. It is made of hydrolyzed collagen that stimulates skin cells to create healthy, new collagen. It also replaces and rebuilds damaged collagen, or helps when your body stops producing as much collagen as you age. This powder also contains DGA digestive enzyme blend that helps with digestion and break down the peptide chains in collagen. Let's check some reviews. Direction. As a dietary supplement, blend 1 scoop daily in water, smoothies, shakes, bullet coffee, green tea or other beverages. It's time to rate this collagen peptide powder. This unflavored powder contains 14 essential amino acids to help with more recovery and post-workout. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. It contains 2 times hydrolyzed collagen with digestive enzymes for enhanced absorption. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $26 for 0.47 pounds. Our rating for its price is 4 out of 5. The Sports Research Collagen Peptide Powder is our first preferred collagen peptide powder with most important nutrients needed to ensure the health and vitality of your skin, hair, tendon, cartilage, bones, and joints. This unflavored drink provides 11 grams of low molecular weight peptides. It is an easy way to supplement collagen into your daily routine. Each serving of the powder contains 18 amino acids, 10 gram proteins and 11 gram hydrolyzed bovine collagen peptides. Let's check some reviews. Direction. Mix 1 scoop, 11 grams, into your favorite beverage 1 to 2 times per day. It's time to rate this collagen peptide powder. As we mentioned earlier, the Sports Research Collagen Peptide Powder is one of the highest-selling collagen peptide powder on Amazon. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. This collagen peptide powder really works great as it fulfills the nutrients needed for our health. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at below $30 for 1 pound. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. So these are our top pick collagen peptide powder. We have selected all these products based on users' response and recommendations. Outcomes and experience may vary from one person to another.